Falcon Engineering Bearing Division is located in Dubai Investment Park 2, UAE. We provide quality manufacturing AMP bearing refurbishment of rotating machines that is used in power generation, pumps, large electric motors, combustion engines, oil lamp, gas, processing industries, petrochemical and aerospace industries. We recently entered into a joint venture agreement with Dynamic Engineering United Kingdom for being their sole representative in the MENA region, to broaden our technical and industrial service capacity. With a manufacturing plant containing machining and casting facilities which spans over 65,000 square feet, we manufacture and refurbish bearings to the highest standards. Falcon Engineering Manufacturing and Repair Facility is equipped with state-of-the-art CNC and conventional machines and casting section equipped with advanced spin casting, static, poured and metal spray. Every bearing that is manufactured and repaired is very carefully engineered to work in specific situations. Every bearing undergoes a systematic inspection process on state-of-the-art quality control equipments. Our research and development team continually works to innovate and extend a product's life. Our customer support includes a comprehensive repair service division dedicated to repairing, upgrading or replacing bearings of any manner. We also offer technical assistance, field NDT services and bearing failure analysis to all our customers in United Kingdom, UAE and Saudi Arabia, to improve their productivity and profitability. Falcon Engineering, complete solutions for the rotary industry. High quality, fast service.